Once you've assessed and understood your threats, then you can start architecting the solution, because you really need to design around those threats, as well as the specific constraints of the type of hardware that you're going to be using, the communication system that you're going to be using, as well as your specific business requirements. So there's a lot of detail that goes into the architecture process that all starts with a threat analysis, so that you can then take those security observations and concerns into design and architecture. Now that isn't always easy to do, because very often, let's say you're building a edge server that's meant to collect data and protect multiple devices. Well, then that's not such a difficult thing to do, because designing that, you've got a rich real-time operating system that you can use and things of that nature. But if you're going to be using, and security is readily available in a situation like that. But if you're going to be designing a device that has embedded hardware, where you're going to be designing a sensor that literally is just a small system on a chip, then you're going to have to make sure you scale the security available also to the performance of the hardware, to the computational power of the hardware, and also to the power requirements. Key in IoT, as we all know today, is that we need to be able to make sure that the hardware we develop is capable of not only transmitting the data and the amount of data that we want it to deliver in the most economical way possible, but we also need to be concerned about the total lifetime of the device. And security plays an important role in that, because bad security can eat up battery life and can generate a lot of data, whereas good security takes those things into account and makes sure that your data, your device, the decisions it's making are all secure without sacrificing those things.